Murder Hornet Hot Honey Air Fryer Meatloaf. And if that didn't grab you, yep, we're covering it in crispy bacon too. Let's go. Grab 1 pound of ground meat and throw it in a bowl with 1 egg, a 1/4 cup of croutons, salt, pepper, chili powder, and thyme. Now add an 1/8 cup of diced onions, bell peppers, grated carrots, and 1 to 2 cloves of grated garlic. Now grab your hand mixers and mix everything until it's combined. Split it into 2 smaller loaves because end pieces are the best, and now it's all end pieces. Grab 4 strips of bacon and cut them in half. Bacon and meatloaf go into a preheated air fryer at 385 degrees and give that meatloaf a quick spray of olive oil. While that cooks, let's make that glaze. 1/2 cup of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of cumin, a couple dashes of Worcestershire, and 1.5 tablespoons of hot honey. I'm using Milton Honey Farms Murder Hornet Hot Honey. It's got the perfect sweet heat. I'll link it below, but if you can't grab this, grab hot honey from your local honey farm. At about the 12 to 15 minute mark, check your bacon. Flip it and pull it when it's crispy enough to crumble. Mine took almost a full 20 minutes. At that 20-minute mark, check the temperature of your meatloaf. If you're around 160, it's time to glaze. If not, back in the air fryer for a few minutes. Now brush that glaze on thick. And save some, trust me, you'll want extra. Now back in for 3 to 4 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And look at that. But we're not done. Now hit it with that bacon crumble. Savory, sweet, spicy, crispy, smoky. This is an absolute air fryer win. Now hit that like and subscribe button and tell me what I should do with this hot honey next.